Well, I made another little uh, marwa machine. It doesn't work perfectly well, but it works at least for this short little demo. I'm going to turn the switch on, and as you can see, these little balls are going to climb up and then scroll down on the path. The problem I'm having is that I have to help it with my finger to get the next ball in, and so that's the only thing that I don't like about it. But otherwise than that, I'm pleased that it works, and uh, hopefully the next one I'll design will be a better version of this. So that's just short little video for you guys, or who are maybe sick and tired of these little marble machines. You have a great day.